morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Mickey Masters, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problem look easy. Come along, what do we have for today? We have finding the area of a sector. It says a sector of 80 degrees is removed from a circle of radius 12 centimeter. It says what is the area of the what area of the circle is left? So let's assume this is the circle and a sector here was removed. Let's assume that this is the sector here that was removed, this portion, and here is 80 degrees. So this is the remaining part we are asked to find, the remaining part here. Now, if this is a circle, if this is 80 degrees, the remaining angle here will be, the angle left will be, angle left will be equals to, in a circle you have 360 degrees, so this is 360 degrees minus 80 degrees. That will give us this 0, that's 280 degrees. 80 degrees, that's the spot that is left. So area of a sector is given by, so we look for the area of this other sector that is left. Area of sector is given by the formula theta over 360 times pi r squared. So we're asked to use pi to be 22 over 7. Our radius is 12 cm. So we are pretty much done. So we impute what we have there. This is 280 over 360 degrees times this is 22 over 7 times our radius is 12. 12 here 1, 12 here 3. So here we have 7 here 1, 7 here 4. We have 4 times 22, that's 88 over 3. Okay, sorry, this is squared, r squared. Okay, so this times 12 times 12. Okay, because this is r squared, our radius is 12, so we should, r squared will be 12 times 12. So 3 here 1, 3 here 4. So we have 4 times 4, 16, or 4 times 22, that's 88. 88 times 4, that's 352. 352 centimeter squared. So that's the area of the sector of the circle. What area of the circle is left is 352 centimeter squared. All right, let's look at the second example. It says calculate, or if the radius of a circle is 6 centimeter, calculate the area of the sector below in terms of pi. So we already know that our area of a sector, you can give this is equals to theta over 360 times pi r squared. So here is our radius, which is 6 centimeter. So straight up, now because we are asked to find the answer in terms of pi, so we do not replace the value of pi to be 22 over 7 or 3.142. So we leave our pi like that. Theta here is 40. The angle of this sector here, this is the sector, something of this nature, 40 degrees here. Here is 6 centimeter. This is the sector. Now 40 over 360 times pi times the radius is 6. So this is 6 r squared. So 6 times 6. So from here 0 becomes 0. 6 here 1, 6 here 6. 6 here 1, 6 here 1. So we are left with 4 times pi, which is equals to 4 pi. So the area of the sector there is 4 pi centimeter squared. Very easy. All right, let's look at this next question. It says calculate the area of a sector of a circle which obtains an angle of 45 degrees at the center of the circle. given the radius 14 centimeters. So let's make a sketch of the diagram. Here we have that this is the circle. This is the angle subtended at the center, 45 degrees. Now we have that our radius is 14 cm. So very easy. The area of the sector, will be equals to theta over 360 times pi r squared. From here we are not given pi to be another value, so we can take our pi to be 22 over 7. So straight up, our theta, which is the angle subtended at the center, is 45 degrees. So this is 45 over 360 times 22 over 7 times r squared. The radius is 14. 14 times 14. So 7 here 1, 7 here 2. We can still go, we can use 9 here. 9 in 45 is 5. 9 in 360 is 40. We can use 5. 5 here 1, 5 here 8. We can use 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 4. We can still use 2 here in this 14 here. 2 here in 4, 2 in 14, 7. We can use 2 in 11, 22, 2 here 1, 2 in 22, 11. So we are left with 11 times 7, which is equals to 77 centimeter square. So that's the area of the sector. All right, let's look at this next question. It says, if the area of a sector of a circle which subtends an angle of 140 degrees at the center is 99 meters squared. So we have this, the angle is subtended at the center is 140 degrees. So the area of the sector is 99 meters squared. Now what is the radius of the circle? So we represent this as r. So area of a sector of a circle is given by, remember the formula, theta over 360 times pi r squared. Now we are already given the area of the sector to be 99 meters squared. So wherever we see area of sector, we put 99 meters squared is equals to, our theta is the angle subtended at the center, which is 140 degrees over 360 degrees times, we can use our pi as 22 over 7, 22 over 7 times radius squared. So this will go off, 0 cancel 0. We can use 2 in 14 is 7, 2 here will be 18. We can also use 2 to divide, 2 here 9, 2 here 11. Now you have 7 here, you have 7 here, so 7 here 1, 7 here 1. So we are left with 99 meters squared is equals to 11 r squared over 9. So let's cross multiply. What we just do to make our r square, so our r square will be equals to, take the inverse of the coefficient of r, that's multiply both sides by 9 over 11. So r square will be equals to 99 times 9 over 11. So this becomes 11 here 1, 11 here 9. So 9 times 9 is 81. So r square is equals to 81. We are not interested in r square. We are interested in r. So our r here will be equals to the square root of 81 meters squared. So which is equals to, our r is equals to square root of 81 is 9 meters. So the radius of the circle is 9 meters. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Just like in our usual style, before we go, here are some list of take-home points. The first one says the area of a circle PQR with center O is 72 centimeters square. What is the area of the sector POQ if angle POQ is equals to 40 degrees? That's the angle at the center is 40 degrees. The second one says calculate the angle of the sector of a circle if the area of the sector is 462 meters square and the radius of the circle is 14 meters. And the last but not the least, it says the arc of a circle of radius 20 centimeters subtends an angle of 120 degrees at the center. Use the value pi equals to 3.142 to calculate the area of the sector. Correct your answer, correct to the nearest centimeter square. If you enjoyed today's class, why not give us a like? Tell your friends about the Mickey Mouse class. Share the video. Tell them that this is a place where mathematics is demystified and complex problems made easy. If you are here to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. Most importantly, turn on the notification bell so you will not miss out on wonderful content on the channel. Till we meet again. If there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put it in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to it. Also, put the take-home fun in the comment section. Put the answers and let me see how easy it was for you to solve. Till we meet again in the next class, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. Shalom.